Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop is plugged in and any critical data is backed up. This prevents data loss. Next, make a Windows 11 USB recovery drive with the media creation tool on another PC so you have a clean environment. Once done, boot the problem machine from that USB or invoke Advanced Startup by holding Shift while selecting Restart. You're now in the recovery environment and ready to run targeted repair tools and diagnostics. You'll run Startup Repair first. It attempts automatic fixes without harming your files. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f on the system drive, then sfc/scano to restore corrupted files, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. Once those complete, reboot to test. If the problem started after an update, make sure to uninstall recent updates from Troubleshoot Advanced Options so you remove the likely culprit. You finish by attempting System Restore to roll back to a working point. If that's unavailable, choose Reset this PC and select Keep My Files to preserve data while reinstalling system components. When boot problems persist, rebuild the boot configuration using bootrec/fixember/fixboot and /rebuild from Command Prompt to repair master boot records. If none of these work, perform a clean install from your USB recovery. If you still see preparing automatic repair, try different SATA/SSD cables or test the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.